Hey guys, what's up? So we've got this new couch here, very exciting in the studio. So I thought it could be fun to have some like couch side chats. A lot of new cool things happening with the channel, so I kind of wanted to chat about that and try something different this time. See if you guys dig it. We're gonna try it out. Let's roll the intro. All right, awesome. So, a couple things. Thing one, just last week it was announced that I'm gonna be doing some tutorials with actually the Clip Studio Paint official YouTube channel, which is cool as heck. They contacted me kind of out of the blue, said they liked this channel a lot and wanted to have me kind of host their channel, which is super cool, and I was very appreciative of that. So that's been a cool, fun thing that I've been working on for a while. Probably also why I haven't been posting a ton of new stuff, because I've been working on that. But that absolutely does not mean this channel is going away. Like, I want to completely say that the Clip Studio Paint quick tip thing that I'm doing is a different sort of content. It's very much like, here are these little bite-sized bits and pieces of tutorials. I want to have this channel be a little bit more like, this is the in-depth, super crunchy stuff that you guys can use to make some great comics, whether it be in Clip Studio Paint, in Photoshop, in Blender or SketchUp or whatever. Like, I want to have some really cool comic-based tutorials for you guys to make some great stuff. So that's thing one. Super excited. I just want to kind of reassure you that this channel isn't going away. But all that said, like, absolutely go check it out. Like, I'm really excited about it. I would love to, see you guys pop over there, check out the new channel. So yeah, that's thing one. Thing two is the thing we're gonna just jump into right now. I wanna kind of do some more like drawing for you guys here on this channel. We're gonna do some of that today as I kind of talk over the next bit, because I think that could be a fun addition to the channel. I would like to do some more of my kind of drawing, kind of share with you guys my process. Also gonna just talking about some random stuff. That seems to be a thing that people enjoy watching on YouTube. If that's a thing that you enjoy watching on YouTube, let me know. I think it could be a fun thing to have on the channel in addition to like all the tutorials and stuff. So let's do that now. I'm gonna jump over to the desk and kind of chat about it. Another super cool thing that's happened is that we've passed 2,000 subscribers on the channel, which is incredible. Like, very, very appreciative of you guys, subscribing and saying hey, and all your comments and questions and things are awesome and really help the channel grow. So thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and all that kind of cool YouTube things that everybody does on YouTube. Like, it's awesome. Like, I'm very, very happy that this channel is kind of growing and blowing up and becoming something that is a nice, helpful resource for you guys. I'm very pleased with how this is all going. So I just wanted to say thanks. Sort of in addition to that, I got an email from YouTube saying that we've met the requirements for being monetized, which is awesome. So basically that means that I can turn on ads and get some money from the ads, a percentage, whatever that YouTube gives you for ads that run on your channel. So I'm gonna do that. Up until now I haven't had any ads, just because why would I let YouTube get money for free? But if they're gonna give me some of it, I might as well turn it on. Help the channel make a little bit of money. Maybe that helps me find some more time to actually make some cool videos for you guys. I know it's been a little while since the last one, so I want to kind of ramp that up a little bit more. But yeah, honestly, that's about it. I'm super excited about everything that's happening. I want to kind of just have a quick, fun little video, throw something up here for you guys to say hey, and very appreciative of you guys and all that kind of stuff with the channel. So, all right, that's about it. Hope you guys are taking care. Wear a mask, wash your hands. It's a weird world we live in, right? Take care of each other. Talk to you soon. Later.